Yeah, blessings we are reaping, we coursing on full. Oh, when I rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really.
Hi, and this is Keisha from Keys All Natural, and today we'll be showing you how to do a clarifying service, how to apply the cayenne pepper to the scalp, and also how to use our high frequency light. First thing you do is clarify the hair. So after you clarify the hair, you put a plastic bag, a plastic cap over the hair, and you leave it on for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, then we shampoo off the clarifying treatment. Then we towel blot and prepare the scalp for the cayenne pepper. Then we apply the cayenne to the affected area and we'll wait for 15 minutes. Then we shampoo off. After we shampoo off the cayenne pepper, then we now towel blot again and start to massage the scalp. We massage the scalp so that we can also help to do the same increase of hair growth. Then we use our high frequency. Our high frequency is also a device that helps to give a shock wave to the hair follicle. By doing so, the zealous hair that is on the head, that is the hair that is getting thinner, would now able to have an increase of hair growth. So it will grow much stronger and healthier. So by using the high frequency around that affected area, it helps to increase blood flow. So after we have used our high frequency, now we're going to apply our hair stimulant on the scalp. The hair stimulant is used 3 times per week on the scalp only. Now that will also increase hair growth, so we can able to have an increase within 90 days time. So this is Keisha again from Keys All Natural. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and tell everybody about this product. It works extremely well.
Blessings